There's a man I think you've heard of. His name was Martin Luther King. Well, he wanted a world of peace and love. He said, I have a dream. I have a dream. Well, I have a dream. Well, I've been to the mountaintop and I've seen it. I have a dream. He said, I know that this is possible. He said, I know that this can be. If each one can learn to live as one, then we can all be free. I have a dream. Well, I have a dream. You know, I've been to the mountaintop and I've seen it. I have a dream.
I still have a dream.
Well, if you share this vision, you know it's not a difficult thing. We can build a